Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
I can just pull my pants up all the time. I must be getting skinnier losing all this weight. More rocks to go over. I'm not out of breath because I'm out of shape at all in any way.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
I can just pull my pants up all the time. I must be getting skinnier losing all this weight. Doing all this awesome off-roading. I forgot I've got switchable ABS. Let's switch it off. I have no idea how to switch it off, so let's just try that again. Just press the button. No. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! That's how you do it. ABS is off. Sweet! Real time off-roading, baby. Way! Just jump down these rocks. Whoa. It's loving it. It's loving it, loving it, loving it. Whoa! Puddle. Gonna get mucky now. Quite funny, most people that buy a bike brand new keep it so precious, don't they? And shiny and tidy and don't do any of this. More rocks to go over. Let's go this way. Whoa. Let's keep going. Oh. It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And we're just at the top, but I think we're just out of the wind blast at the minute. It's nice. Another gate. There's someone walking their dogs. Hopefully they'll open the gate for me. That'd be nice. That's it. You're alright. Cheers, mate. Oh. Thank you. So, slow, this is in first gear. Hardly anything on the idling, look. It's not chucking me back and forth. It's lovely. God, that's rocking it. Oh, shit the bed. Oh, shit the bed. Oh. Yes. Nice. Nice. Yeah, again, nice. Try and move the big loose rocks I'm trying to avoid, obviously, because I want to go slipping off on the front wheel. Other than that, yeah, baby. Soak it up. Enjoy the ride. Look, it just goes on forever. Oh, so gorgeous. Thing is, you can just leave this in first gear if you want to do what I'm just doing and just poodle it. I'm not here to like push it to its limit at this point. I'm here to get to know it, enjoy it, and see how she feels. And she is spectacular. There's no doubt in my head, and it's what a buy. For the money, new, what a buy. It's definitely exceeded all my expectations, to be fair. I thought it would be good, but I didn't know it was this good, this comfortable, and still feel this light, let alone it weighs as much as it says it does. It's very good. He could do it with a smile in his life, couldn't he? Well, if you stand up, you see, you're right. So you should sit down. You start your little bit of rocking, and you don't want that. See if I can, not yet. Whoa! See if I can get up on that centre ledge, really. Okay, the sun is out now. It is beautiful. So is my sweatiness. Just beautiful, baby. I still think that's nicer there. Saying that though, there's the rocks. She is soaking it, isn't she? Absolutely soaking it. She's got no struggling going on. Now, I'm not out of breath because I'm out of shape at all in any way. It's sheerly to do with the amount of physical work riding over boulders up a mountain. Whew. I'm getting sweaty, so I've had to stop. So I'm like, do you know what? Just take 5-10 minutes, like calm down, kind of sweat your bum off, and then jump back on the bike and do some more. But it's still out of this world, and it gives me a chance to look at the Himalayan because I really haven't spent a lot of time looking at it, just riding it. Yeah, she is gorgeous, isn't she? She has this kind of like almost like a retro look with like the new look at the same time because of the round headlight on the front. It kind of puts back that real retro look to it. But she's grown on me unbelievably, and she's really impressed me. She really has, and I think she does. She looks really nice, and she's a really capable bike, and she's good on the road. She's great off-road. There's just nothing not to like so far about this bike, other than the turn-to-turn thing. Every time you turn it off, you've got to go back into the app. But other than that, yeah, she is a good-looking bike, isn't she? She really is a nice looker. Now, I know for a lot of people, it's going to be like Marmite, isn't it? It's going to be the same. It's the same as my YouTube channel. You're going to love it or you're going to hate it. You're going to look at that and go, that is really cool. That is quite a nice looking bike. Or you're going to look at it and go, ugh, can't stand the way that looks. That is absolutely hideous. But for me, it's grown on me. When I first saw them, I didn't like it when they first ever came out. But now, yeah, she is nice. So I've rested. I've kind of de-sweated. I've had whatever it was, little pastry that I bought and a sip of water and chilled for 5 to 10 minutes. And now what I'm going to do is just head down here because I checked the map while I was doing that and it looks like it's just about to end. And that's basically 5 miles I've done on the Himalayan off-road on this kind of gravelly, rocky. And there was a few bits where I was like, whoa, but not the bike's fault, more mine, and just starting to feel a bit tired because I'm just not used to that kind of gravel, that kind of rocky feel. A lot of off-roading that we do is very sort of muddy more than anything else. So, you know, it's quite technical riding, but do you know what? I really enjoyed it. And again, this bike's handled it with absolute ease. Anyway, we're going to just ride up here, jump on this road, and then we'll see if we can find any more adventures. We'll put in back in the campsite, see how far away that is, but it's just lovely. I could spend, if it was more nicer weather, I could just spend the entire day just chilled on the grass staring at this bike and that view, and I'd be well happy because both of them are absolutely stunning. This bike, that view, bada boom, bada bing. Anyway, let's just do this last little bit, shall we? Let's do it like a pro. Here's a rock and down, up. Hey, baby. And here it is. Here is the main road. Up there. That is the main road. That was the epic off-roading. Well, do you know what? What an adventure. What an adventure. We've done so much and I've really enjoyed it. This bike's handled it so well. It's awesome. It's absolutely fantastic. That butter pass is well worth it. Short but sweet, but well worth it. The off-road around here is rocky, gnarly, technical, but fun. A lot of fun to be said.
5 miles continue.
My turn-by-turn sat-nav is actually working, so we should be able to get back to the campsite now. But what an adventure. I've loved this. It's been a fantastic experience. Just wow. What an awesome place to be. Just gorgeous. And I'm here. Right, let's keep going, let's get back, let's get a beer, let's chill out. But yeah, this bike has made this adventure extremely good. I just made a prawn curry. It doesn't look the best, but when I say that's hot, that is really hot. Ooh. Thunder's going to come out later. Well, do you know what? It's been an absolute blast. I have had such a fantastic time on this bike. The Himalayan has really taken me by storm. It is absolutely fantastic. And what a place to bring it. So, ladies and gentlemen, as always, we save the best till last, the cool montage. So I give you the Himalayan, the Yorkshire Dales, and the best montage in the world. Enjoy.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la. Laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine.